Sorry if this camera's shaky and windy, but my last live video uploaded in 360, so I figured I'd give you guys a high def version. I am 85% done with this thing now. So I got everything cut and rubbed. If you haven't been following, this was a full body in paint. The owners owned it for 10 or 12 years. I've been thinking about getting it cleaned up for a long time. And we agreed to take on the project. So it's got factory 138 dark gray metallic paint code color. We shaved the factory radio antenna. We did a whole bunch of body work. It's a first gen runner, so it was beat to snot like they usually are. We did no jam work, no under hood work, just exterior. We disassembled it. The client disassembled quite a bit of it himself. And we took door panels off and handles, locks, emblems, grill, lights, you know, seals, sweeps, all that stuff got taken off when we painted it. Reassembly is done as far as I can go today. I need the yellow clips for the door handle rods. Those were broken, so I need 2 of those. I'm working on that right now. The glass guy is coming by Maine Auto Body tomorrow, so they're going to send him over here to talk to me about the 4runner. The client has a new windshield seal, so I think we're going to do away with the stainless steel trim is the plan, and just go with a rubber seal. And then when I get the yellow clips, I will put the door panels on, and assembly will be 100%. Get the glass guy, throw the glass in, and then I think I'm going to let the client take it, and then I'm going to put the half doors up on the table after it's gone, and I'll polish those out because it's going to take a bit of sanding and buffing to get those done. So anyway, that's where we are with the 4runner. Hopefully this video is a little bit better for you guys. I'm trying to block the wind so you don't got wind noise. But anyway, sorry about shaky and walking. Appreciate you guys. Just wanted to show you. I know a lot of people have been interested in this one, and I answer questions all the time about it. So there you go, guys. She's about ready to go home. I appreciate you. You guys have a good rest of the week. We'll talk to you soon. Take care, guys.